Good morning, Doak cooks. This isn't mine. This pizza isn't mine. Sorry, spoiler alert. These are pizzas. These are individually wrapped, giant New York style pizza slices. And this is a very simple, brief PSA on a reminder of if you are going to take your leftover pizza and you want it to taste as incredible as it did the moment it was delivered to your home, use your air fryer. Use your air fryer. It's simple as that. I'm showing you the before and I'm gonna show you the after, but use your air fryer. That is how we take this pizza and make it super, super yummy. So yeah, air fryer, it's your friend. Enjoy. I mean, it just looks incredible. It smells incredible. I mean, come on. It's bubbly, it's melty, it's crispy, it's chewy. That's how you reheat pizza. That's how I reheat pizza. That's how I reheat pizza in this house now. So, PSA, use your air fryer to reheat your leftover pizza. It is awesome and quick. All right, enjoy everybody. See you next time.
I got a broken face.